Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajewole Jolayemi, and I'm here to present to you my final project on graphic design. Firstly, let's talk about what graphic design really means. Graphic design helps us to bring out our imagination through visual skills to communicate, message, and combine creativity in details to produce wide range of visual learning. In short, when we are talking about visual graphic designs, it's a deep connection about what you imagine and what you want to bring out so that it can come out nice and beautiful. Next slide, sir. Where graphic designs is needed. Why do we need graphic designs? There are different ways in which we can use graphic design, such as brand logo, marketing tools like flyers, business cards, website visual, and infographics, and a lot more that we can do. The tools I used in getting graphic design done. How do I get my graphic design done? Number one of the tools I use is Canva. This is the primary tool that we need in creating graphic designs. From our poster, logo, flyers, social media posts, a lot more. The next one is Google Drive. This is for storage. This is just a way of keeping our files. We put all our work done there. So in order to have access to it whenever we want to use it. And the next one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is for the correction of our spelling to checkmate our words in line with what we are designing. So the words we are using and our design can go hand in hand. The core design principle. There are some major design principles, which number one, some I listed some. The first one is visual balancing. This is the arrangement of our elements to create a sense of stability. When using visual balancing, we have to know that the words we are using and our arrangements are in hand to hand. Is not just in off and on. It should be in stability form. The next one is color harmony. This is the way our colors works together. It has to work together. It should not be off and on too, because when we are working on graphics, what we are designing and our color has to match. And the next one is the use of white space. The use of white space. This help us to bring our works together by connecting to the design and our space. The next one is consistency. The next one is visual. Sorry. The next one is visual identity. Yes. How can your customer identify your work? Is the consistencies, the use of visual elements that represent the brand. You have to be what? Consistent. You have to be consistent with what you are doing. Next slide. My first project is the logo. A logo was created for a restaurant that talks about finger foods only. The aim of this brand is to create a visual that talks about the brand before getting to know it. Once you see the brand FFO, finger foods only, you know exactly what you are to expect in such a restaurant. The next slide. A flyer was also made for this same brand, and the aim of this flyer is to focus on the brand and to introduce us to kind of food we are going to meet in this restaurant and the location of these restaurants and also their social media handle. All will be details in the flyers. Next slide. Major challenge. No, there is a third project, sir. The business card. Thank you, sir. Business card was also made for a brand, Jordan and Diamond Variety Stores, and this business cards was done through the use of the tools mentioned earlier. I mean, the Canva, the ChatGPT, the Google Drives. The aim of this logo is to give more audience to get in touch with large audience by the business cards because it's very easy and small to carry. It goes a longer way than flyers. Next slide. The major challenge I faced in getting graphic design done, the technical skill, the creativity blocks, how to combine the work was a bit of a challenge when I started, and it's at the point you want to pick me off because getting everything set up in line by line was a bit a problem for me, but with a constant training I was able to get through. Staying organized, not mixing, not bringing from Ibadan to Ijebu and comes together. My work has to be organized, and it was one of the major issue because I keep hearing it. My work was not being aligned. It was not properly organized, and it was one of the things that want to pull me back at first. Then the color and typography, blinding color, taking the right color and bringing out the texts that will fit in a particular color was a bit of a challenge for me. But with times of the training, I was able to get through. Next slide, sir. Lesson learned. The lesson I've learned so far, which I'm grateful for, is attentions in details. Yes, I was able to pay more attention to my work when doing it because when paying attention to it, it's called my attention back if there is any mistake before anyone else does. It makes me know my audience. It makes me know that this is what I'm to focus on and I should not digress at any point. Repetition. It keeps me working so well so that I could get better. You can bring your works to me. Let's bring out the best of your work. Is it on logo, flyers, business cards? I'm just a call away. Reach out to me on tel 090 1878 0168, and my email is at your screen. You can always reach out to me. And I'm trained by Virtual Assistants Work Unite. Thank you.